Wow. A batata. The app.
Who?
And my food. So I need a chocolate. This is how. That. Right here.
Oh wow, oh, don't get awi. Is that awi? Oh. Oh, be careful with that. Don't wanna get awi. No. You really like that workshop tools, ha? May mumu na naman. Chay, may mumu dyan. Ayan, thank you.
Mommy, what this? You want to do lunch?
Tatrabaho lang tayo
Mommy,
eh.
you want to do lunch?
Oh, wow. Manood na lang pwede.
You want to do lunch? Mommy, do you want to do lunch?
Oh, you're making a line? Can you do a straight line?
Yeah, what is it?
Straight line. Nice. Good job.
I mean, road.
Oh, wow. Let me see. Smile.
Cheese.
Hindi, ay, wala naman ako makita ng cheese. You really like that? Where did we buy that? Where did we buy that green one, Dad? Huh? Oh, really? That one? What is the name?
Ken.
It's right here on the side of the box.
Huh?
Yeah, beaten me too.
Oo nga.
So this one, better one. You try the other one now.
Pinagalitan ko nga yan.
It's tiny one.
Pinagalitan ko ah.
This one is enough.
Yan, si Julin.
And this enough. And enough.
Oh.
And more.
Paano pagbaba niya sa bus, nakatali yung sintas niya? Pareho?
It's enough.
Kaya pag maglakad siya, muntik na siyang madapa.
Do I think now?
So, di man lang niya napansin, tinali ng kasama niya sa bus. Dakdak lang ang dakdakan. Di mo lang mapansinan.
Right here, I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Oh,
Oh, Julin is gonna play with you. Oh, Daddy's gonna play with you. Wow, that's a lot of people playing with you. And Grandma was waiting for you.
look, the beam's on me.
Oo.
No, man,
Napagalitan ng isang oras. Apay, dakdak ka, lagtanga dakdakan, di mo na napansin nga nakatali ta sintas mo. Sabi ko nga, pag nakita mo yun, sabi mo, sinumbong mo sa akin, ha? Kasi kakit hindi mo mapansin mo ito, italig din. Ang nyalakit din. Ada ka sa una gamin. Huwag mo nakita na.
K-A-A-B. A-B.
Ada ka sa una siguro.
What's this in for? You want it?
Parang ano na yan, si Bakka. Nawala na lahat yung pera niya. Di pa niya alam.
Nawala na yung pera niya.
Hindi, si Bakka dati, di ba? Naglalakad na, hold up na lahat-lahat. Diyos me, Marimar. 3 beses, nagpunta pa sa pulis, tulala.
Well, this is how long it's at least that one. That's how long sunflowers? Sunflowers.
Oh, wow. Ang laki ng sunflowers mo, mother, ah. Ganyan kalaki daw. Sunflowers mo. Ang tangkad naman nun. O nga, bakit ang tangkad?
Sabi naman dyan, di ba?
Ha?
Hindi ka naman matangkad yung nandyan eh.
Sobrang tangkad naman ngayon.
Pero may bulaklak na siya.
5.
Ang dami.
Ang dami. Eh kung tuloy-tuloy yung araw,